How do you make a memory last forever? Well, you really can't. But what if you want to hold on to a memory for as long as you can? Whether it be a good one or a bad one. And what does that have to do with 3D printing? Well, today I am going over something with you that is pretty cool, I think. And it'll help you keep some memories alive. So we're going to go over lithophanes, which this doesn't look like anything, but you add a little light behind it, and all of a sudden, you've got a really cool picture. And you can see I've got some behind me right over here, and I'll give you a little bit of a close-up on that. Great way to capture a moment or capture the essence of someone you love or care about. Super easy to do these, and you can do it with any 3D printer, at least any FDM 3D printer. I'm sure you can do it with resin. I just don't have a resin printer. So, all that aside, super easy, like I said. Let me show you how you do it. Things first, you just got to go to lithophanemaker.com, and they've got a whole bunch of different options for you. My favorite, you just go right over here to flat lithophanes. Come in here, choose file, and you just have to put in whatever image you want. And then create STL. Now it looks like it's asking for email. So if you have any questions regarding this process, feel free to message me at idiotcraftman@gmail.com. And just like that, we are good to go. Let me go ahead and open up, where are we at? Bamboo Studios. Like I said, you can use pretty much any app, any slicer. So prop this up right over here. We're going to create new project. Come in hot. Pop this bad boy open, and there we go. Now, doesn't matter what orientation you have on it, it's going to print perfectly fine. And the way that I do it right here, it's literally just a square. Doesn't matter which direction you have it. So it can print this way, this way, this way. Either way, you just have to put it in front of you, and there you go. Now, just so we can do a little bit of a demonstration here, let me do a close-up on these guys for you. So I did these on all different colored filaments just to kind of show you it doesn't really matter what color you use or what type of filament. These are all different colors, all different types of filament. So whatever you've got, make it work. And it's going to be awesome for capturing whatever memories you want to hold on to. So just go in here. I've got it on 0.12 millimeter, high quality. It's 3.5 hours. I recommend just run it on whatever slow speed you like to run it on to make sure that you get that nice high quality print. If you've got any questions, leave them down in the comments below. We're not going to make this video longer than it needs to be. Make your prints. Let me know how it turns out. If you guys make some cool lithophanes and you want to share it on the channel, send your prints over to idiotcraftman@gmail.com. If you want me to print it out and feature it on the channel, let me know. See if we can get a little bit of engagement with you guys, and let me know what you want me to print. If you've got any specific STLs that you want me to print, let me know. maybe get you a shout out on the channel, and let's see what we can do to have some fun with this going forward. All right, guys. I will go ahead and post the Amazon affiliate links to these filaments that I've used down in the comments below, just in case you like them. Apart from that, like and subscribe. We'll see you guys on the next one. We're going to have an update about the new Elegoo printer that is launching soon. I believe it's the Carbon Centauri, if that sounds right. If not, we'll do an update on that in the next couple days. All right, guys, we'll see you in the next one. Bye.